In this step-by-step tutorial, I will show you guys how we can upload videos to Google Drive just in few minutes. This will be an easy and quick tutorial, so let's get started. So to start uploading videos to Google Drive, it's super easy. All you have to do is you just need to open your Google Drive account like this, go to your Google Drive homepage like this, and click over here on New, and click over here on File Upload. And what you will do is you just need to choose the video that you want to upload from your laptop. For example, I have this video over here.
Need a haunted voice for you.
Okay, so I will upload this video. What you will do next, just click over here on Open and click over here on Upload. And here you go. Your video will be uploaded to Google Drive. It's gonna take just a few minutes. And here you go. That's it. That's how we can upload videos to Google Drive. Thank you so much for watching and see you in my next videos.